Being a VJ comes with the responsibility of looking presentable in front of the camera all the time. And to help me in this process, the Syska trimmer has become my new styling buddy. The kit comes with 5 attachments, like the nose trimmer and the hair trimmer, to complete all your grooming needs. The skin-friendly blades make sure my skin looks fresh as ever, and different settings allows me to maintain a healthy stubble whenever I need it. And to keep up with my fast-paced life, the trimmer also has a washable body that keeps it ready for the next day. Want to follow my morning ritual? It's easy. Just get a Syska trimmer from Flipkart at $24.99. Simple.